How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your emails open this Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So without further ado, let me quickly dive in and show you how to ensure your emails get opened this Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And also, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you my 101 Black Friday, Cyber Monday subject line. So these are subject line that we've tested and it has been proven to work for many of our clients. And I'm going to be giving you everything for free at the end of this video. So you want to make sure you stick to the end of this video so you can access this Black Friday, Cyber Monday subject line. So without further ado, let's quickly dive in and talk about why subject line matters when it comes to Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And the reason is very simple, and that is inboxes will be overcrowded during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And if your subject line is not intriguing enough, people won't open your email. It's as simple as that, right? Because lots of people are sending emails during Black Friday. So you want to ensure that you have a subject line that piques interest, right? So having a good subject line is going to help you get, your emails open, and eventually people will click your emails, and buy from your Black Friday offers. So what makes a good subject line? And that is your subject line has to pique interest and sound familiar as much as possible. Like it's that simple. Your subject line needs to pique interest and it needs to sound familiar as much as possible because, like I said, lots of people are sending emails during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So if you can get your subject line to be, familiar and also it piques interest, people will open your email and they will eventually buy from you. So a couple of things you can do to make your email and subject line sound familiar. And one of them is just personalizing your subject line, right? So a couple of things you can do is including the recipient's first name, purchase product, location, and you can also do some segmentation to ensure that this subject line is speaking the recipient's interest. So a couple of examples here you can see special Black Friday deal for the first name, which is the name of the person, right? 30% off on your favorite, so the name of the product plus free shampoo. So you can put the name of the product here using dynamic tag plus free shampoo, which is like this can actually pique someone's interest. And the third one is the location, right? So never seen before deal in San Francisco. So you can literally just use segmentation to do all of these things, and this will help you get your emails open during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Another thing you can use to amplify your subject line is your preview text. So you want to create a unique preview text that correspond with whatever you're saying in the subject line, and this can also help you get your emails open during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Regarding the subject line here, so we broke it down in three phases. And the first one is the pre-launch, which are the emails we send before Black Friday. So you can see here it says Black Friday early access, the subject line. So we have about 30 of them here, and you can pick any of them you want. And the second one is the launch. So this is when we actually launch our Black Friday, Cyber Monday emails. And also we have the free shipping subject line here. You can also pick any of them if you're doing some kind of like free shipping offers. And the last one is the post launch. So this is when we extend the sale to Cyber Monday or some holiday sale after Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So like I said, this has been proven and tested, and this subject line has made us a lot of money during Black Friday, Cyber Monday for the past 3 years. So if you want this subject line, just click on the link in the description and you can access this Black Friday, Cyber Monday subject line. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.